In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make chorded audio on Capcut. Chorded audio simply means taking one sound and building harmony by layering it at different pitches, so it feels fuller and more musical. This works great for vocals, melodies, ad-libs, or even simple sound effects you want to thicken. Start by opening Capcut. Head into the project where you want to work, or start a new one so your timeline is clean. Next, bring in the audio you want to chord. You can import a file or use something already in your media. Before we layer anything, press play and listen from start to finish. Trim the beginning or end if there's dead space, and make sure the part you want to harmonize is clearly visible on the waveform. Now duplicate that clip so you have 3 identical audio layers stacked at the same start point. Keep them perfectly aligned to avoid flamming or echo. If snapping is available, let the playhead and clip edges snap to the same frame. You should see 3 copies in your timeline, all the same length. Make a quick pass on each layer to prepare them. On the original layer, leave it as your center voice and set its volume to a comfortable reference level. On the 2 duplicates, pull the volume down a few dB so the stack won't clip when everything plays together. Add tiny fade-ins and fade-outs on each clip to prevent clicks, and make sure all 3 start at the exact same point. With the layers prepped, open the voice changer for one duplicate. This is where the harmony comes from. Choose an effect that shifts the character upward, like brighter or thinner voices, to act like your high harmony. Listen in context with the center layer and adjust the intensity if the effect allows it, aiming for a natural blend rather than a cartoonish jump. Move to the other duplicate and open Voice Changer again. This time, pick something that sounds deeper or thicker to sit below the main voice as your low harmony. Balance the depth so it supports the center without overpowering it. Toggle solo and mute as needed to hear each part clearly while you dial it in. Finally, audition a few different effects until the 3 layers feel like a chord. The center layer stays natural. One duplicate sits higher, and the other sits lower. If the stack sounds muddy, lower the bass on the low layer or reduce its volume. If it feels thin, bring the high layer down slightly and let the original lead. When the blend clicks, you'll hear a cohesive chorded sound that lifts the entire mix.